Hello everybody and welcome to another Autodesk Inventor tutorial. My name is Mr. Galindo. Thank you for joining me. In front of you, you should be able to see an assembly of a vehicle which is currently in a view that displays its multiple parts. So you've got your wheel and axle assembly and also, as you notice, two components coloured orange and yellow that are to be rapid prototyped using 3D printing technology. Now, I have been able to create multiple views which detail these components, separating them out, and you can, if you decide to select enough of the components in your assembly, going right click and unenabling them, export these directly from your assembly file as a STL, which is the file format we need to use to 3D print. Alternatively, and this would be my suggestion, from the assembly file where you can visualize and you've collected everything and you know that it's all the right shape, you would want to select one of your wings, right click and go open. You could also alternatively find the file in your workspace. Now, having selected that file, make sure that nothing has changed from your design, that it is actually still accurate and the one you would like to create. You're then going to select the iPro button, hover over the print button or select the arrow and then select 3D print preview. We use 3D print preview because it allows us to identify whether or not what we are going to be making is of a high quality or not. Now, if you zoom in closely, you can see that we are creating these triangular shapes which are 2D surfaces all over our design. And if you zoom in and find that the triangles are quite large, that usually means that rather than having under your options button the resolution on high, it's on low, as you can see here. So that would mean that the shape is quite jagged and not very neat, and we try to make it quite neat so that when we 3D print it, everything's nice and smooth. You can see the difference I just showed there. The other thing you want to make sure you do is select units millimeters and then select OK. From that point, you need to just export and save this as a file. This is done by selecting the Save Copy As button, and you can just select a name and save as type STL. Once you've done that and saved it, you've got your file ready for 3D printing, and this can be done in the same way to 3D print pretty much any product you design in Inventor, going print preview from the iProperties or iPro button. Okay, thank you for listening.